Hello, 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 and hello again. And welcome back to Psychology Eats. So what's eating you? Well, viewers, I'm talking to you. Viewers. Y'all not tired yet? I'm asking for myself and for a friend. Y'all not tired yet? Y'all not tired yet? Because the folks are tired of y'all. Now, I'm not talking about the content creators, because we just giving you what you want. But I'm just asking. Oh, damn, I did have $2. Anywho, I'm just asking, and I'm just wondering. Hold on, y'all. I gotta pay for my food. Hold on. Anywho, honestly, y'all not tired yet? Because we really want to bring y'all some different content in this sector as content creators. Oh, y'all look at me trying to back up. Back up. Back up. Back up. Backing up. Taking up 2 spots. Who gonna fight me? Who gonna fight me? Who? Who gonna do it? Anywho, oh my God, let me take the seatbelt off. I'm trying to get me something quick to eat. I hate that I gotta eat this fast food. Y'all know it's no good for me. It's really not. But I gotta eat something or I'm gonna pass out. So anyway, I'm just wondering when y'all gonna be tired. When are y'all? Maybe I'll turn the windows down. I'll put the windows down, but then if a bug come in here, I'm gonna have to beat the hell out of it. Anywho, when y'all gonna be tired? It's so freaking corny. Talking about freaking Adrian. Let's start with her. Now, those of you who don't know who I'm talking about, my channel is deep into the Be Love's life, family, drama, unfortunately. You know, you make one video and, you know, you get some views from it and you get some viewers and you get monetized. And then next thing you know, you stuck in a sector. You stuck. Wait a minute now, McDonald. These ain't even that hot. And I didn't get no dipping sauce. So anywho, you end up stuck in a sector, and so then you got to continue to report on it. But anyway, I'm asking the viewers, when are y'all going to be tired of this content? Adrian is in a manic state right now. And whenever her views go down, she brings up her estranged relationship with her sister Be Love's life. In the last 2 weeks, 3 weeks, a month, whatever, she don't call Be Love pissy pants. She don't call Be Love's husband gay, which is her sister. They weren't raised together. They don't even know each other like that. I blame the father. He never put all his kids in one room. That's why they out here in the YouTube streets looking crazy. So, anyway, Adrian, she'll settle down once Nate sends her another cease and assist. Is it cease and assist or cease to desist? Basically, shut the F up. You know, Adrian, you know YouTube is your main source of income. It's at least 3 of your... There's many videos, but at least 3 of them could get you them 3 strikes and you out. And V-Love got the money to do it. You better pipe down, honey. Pipe down. You don't already said that I'm smart. You said it. You can't take it back. Please listen to me. Stop. Stop it. You're going too far. The pissy pants was... Who hasn't pissed their pants? Shit. Shit, I done did that and I wasn't even drunk. Girl. Anywho. Alright, all for Adrian. Viewers, y'all ain't sick of that shit? Okay. Oh, let's get to Walt. Now, Walt is sick of y'all shit. He's sick of it because he got to hear it from Cindy, his wife. Cindy for whatever reason, people are interested in Cindy's life and Walt's. It's been almost 2 years. And you viewers still want to see that shit. Ain't y'all tired? If you stop giving us views, we'll do something else. As content creators, any content creator has a lot of we have creativity. We were willing to come on YouTube and share our thoughts and ideas and feelings about certain different things. So, if you like a content creator, we're going to be able to give you other content besides reenacting the shit they doing over there on their town. Y'all got to be tired. Walt is tired. Walt is tired. Cindy, stop involving Walt in this. He don't care. Walt was given an assignment. And by God, that man followed the assignment. B-Love told him, go get something to eat. I'm going to give you this iPhone. Tape yourself eating your food for 15 minutes. Ask the people how they doing 5 times. Eat. Ask them how they doing another 5 times. Turn your camera off after 15 minutes. Upload the video. Give it a title. Eating Popeyes. Don't put nothing in the description box. Don't thumbnail. Don't do none of that shit. Eat for 15 minutes. Upload the video. And watch the money come in. Walt followed the assignment. Walt followed the assignment. And honey, it blew up. Where he messed up is when he started adding you women's in it. That's where he messed up. When he brought women onto his channel. And when he started going into his DMs. Once you start answering DMs, bro, it went downhill from there. But y'all got to be tired. Y'all got to be tired. Viewers, y'all got to be tired. Are y'all tired yet? Because we tired as... Y'all look, I got fish. We tired as content creators. We want to bring y'all some other stuff. We talented. Some of them. We got more to offer. Please give us a chance to show y'all other stuff. Watch our other got dark as a bit. Watch our other videos. It's been 2 years since Walt been on the scene and the block died hot. Let that man live. Let that man live. Let him and Cindy do what they're gonna do. Don't we got other stuff to talk about? Shit. My treatment plan was, I haven't given out treatment plans in a minute for the viewers. Give us content creators in this sector an opportunity to bring you different content. Please view our different content. Stop making us talk about these people. B-Love, Walt, Sin. Who I'm missing? Zaddy Chunks. Darius. Yes, Darius is transitioning right in front of us. It's okay. He's not your child. He's not. You never know what you're going to get out of these Gen Zs anyway. So they do what they want. They really do. It's not your business. Most of y'all in this sector is 50 years old. What the hell we care if Zaddy Chunk is with Nicole? Huh? Why y'all care about these kids' business? Why y'all care, for real? 40-year-old women, 50-year-old women. And we got about 10 men in the sector, viewers, subscribers. Why y'all care? I don't know why the men in this sector can't stand me. I think it's hysterical. Like, I know y'all got something else better than worry about this little shit. For real, for real. Anyway, viewers, that was for you. I gave y'all a little bit of tea, a little bit of a little bit of, something about your favorite cast of characters. But y'all ain't bored? Y'all not bored? Please let us give you something else to watch. Stop giving us our highest views on that family. But then, you know what? I noticed some of my views are going up, even if I don't talk about them. So that's shout out to my subscribers, my psycho staffers, who are here not only to hear about them people, but also whatever other content I shall bring to you. Because I do this out of the love of my heart. And y'all know this is my part-time job. So, with that being said, toodles!